Welcome to Shopify's Exchange Marketplace. It's the place where you're supposed to be able to pull out your credit card and purchase a dropshipping store that's already successful. At least that's what I'm hoping for. I was intrigued by the concept of this and wanted to put it to the test to see if I could actually skip over all of the tedious dropshipping work. Let's break down the plan, and it's a fairly simple one. Find and purchase a Shopify dropshipping store that's reasonably priced on the marketplace. Then order the product to my house to create my own content and post on TikTok 3 times a day religiously. After all of that's done, hopefully we start seeing some sales roll in and we turn this store profitable. Is this gonna work? Who knows, but subscribe to the channel and let's get right into the video. I spent countless hours on the Exchange Marketplace looking through every single category, desperately trying to find that Shopify store that I thought had potential to actually make some money. As I was looking around, I saw so many stores that were overvalued in my opinion, and they were asking so much for the selling price. Seeing all of these high prices, I got a little distracted and actually plugged in my store to see what the valuation was. And to my surprise, it was actually pretty good, but this is not what I was making the video on, so I got back to looking for websites, and it was so hard because so many were overvalued. Here's the update. I went out, I got a haircut, came back, and I literally spent a full day looking for websites that I wanted to purchase, and I finally think I found one. So this website is not perfect by any means, but it is cheap. It's about $200. I really like the product that's on the website, but the problem is the website looks pretty horrendous. I'm gonna order the product to my house, and while I'm waiting for it, I'm gonna redesign the website completely. And then once the product gets here, I'll be able to start filming some TikToks. So as always, I'm giving away another custom-built Shopify website made by me and my team at Ecom Remastered. This custom website is built on a premium theme and already has winning products loaded onto it. All you have to do to enter is leave a like, hit the subscribe button, also leave a comment down below. The comment can be anything at all. For example, you could say something like, I really like your new haircut, or whatever you want. I'm also announcing the giveaway winner from last video somewhere in this video, so make sure you're watching and paying attention. And last thing here, if you're wondering how you can work with me and my team directly, make sure you grab one of the free 45-minute discovery calls in the description below. Spots are limited, so grab one while you can and see if we can work together. What's up guys? So we're back here. I actually got the product in hand and now we drove over to Topgolf. So we're gonna do a bunch of filming with like UGC content. We're gonna do some stuff on the iPhone. The mission here today is to film as much content as possible. Hopefully we're gonna be able to film for like 1 to 2 hours here and get a ton of clips that we can chop up and edit and put on TikTok and run organically. So I will see you guys on the putting green. All right, we are back and ready to roll. I just got done filming a bunch of stuff on the putting green and I think it turned out really well. I got a ton of great clips I'm gonna repurpose into ads for organic TikToks. I also set up the TikTok account. I added the logo. We got a bunch of followers. Also in the meantime, I've been seasoning the account, posting a ton of different golf videos. So now when I post these videos, TikTok already knows exactly the audience that wants to see this type of content. I also have the link in the bio that goes directly to the product, so hopefully I'll be able to get some sales. Now I'm gonna be editing all of these videos that I just took. I'm also gonna be looking for some trends and viral sounds that I can plug these clips into so it makes sense. I also love a lot of the way these clips turned out and I'm pretty excited to post them. I think I'm gonna get some pretty good results. Here's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be posting for the next couple days. I'm really gonna try to get a viral video or two to see how much traffic goes to the store, and then we're gonna check back in later to see if I got any sales at all.
Several days later.
Guys, I'm at the beach right now and I happen to have my GoPro with me because we were taking some videos out in the water. I just launched the TikToks for the golf page and I had a big error. I accidentally messed up and I basically messed up the payment so no one could actually like check out, but I fixed it just a couple hours ago and we already have 3 sales coming in. We did 1 test order and 3 orders just came in right now. All right guys, so much has happened in the last week here, especially with this brand, and I'm very excited to share the results, what the ads looked like, what I was posting on TikTok, how much traction I got, how many sales came in. So we're gonna cover all of that right now. I mean, if you can't tell by my excitement, the results are actually pretty good, surprisingly good. Here's what we're gonna cover really quickly, right? So I'm gonna show you the website build. I'm also gonna show you the type of content that we got on the golf course to make these TikTok ads. I'm gonna show you the TikToks that we made and ran as advertisements. And then in the end, how many sales actually came in from the organic traffic. All right, let's get right into it. All right, really quickly, let's take a look at the revamped website to see what I did to it to make it look better. I changed the domain, obviously, but I updated the landing page to what I thought was gonna be a lot more converting for TikTok. All right, so pulling up the website here, it's a decent build actually. So I'm using a theme that I had already from before. It's called the Streamline theme. And I just created this nice, simple homepage. I think it looks really nice in my opinion, but the most important part of it is obviously the landing page. So let's take a look at that. This is the landing page. I did some custom design with the boxes that made it look really branded and really nice. And I took these photos actually myself at home and uploaded them on here because all the ones that were on AliExpress were not that great. I added some reviews on there, obviously from AliExpress and some from friends. We made it for $24.99. with free shipping. I had to add to cart. We've obviously got the logos, a huge fan of logos on the websites. On this section right here, I used to have some video, but it was slowing down the website so much that I had to take it off. So I just put a photo here. Scrolling down, we've got some more logos. This is kind of like a custom made Canva little setup here on the landing page. Honestly, overall, not very bad, right? I thought it was gonna be converting enough for TikTok. Now that we've seen the product page and what a good landing page looks like, in my opinion, for TikTok, let's actually go into TikTok and look at some of the ads that I created for this product and any results that came from those ads. On the account, it's not a brand new account. I actually switched an old TikTok account that I had just so I could get the link in bio and making it a lot quicker. I totally recommend getting at least 1,000 followers on TikTok so you can put your link in the bio for organic traffic. So starting off here, we're posting a lot of content that was just golf related. We wanted to season the account to make sure that it was actually getting to the right audience. Some of this content was reposted. I was getting anywhere from like 1,000 to 155,000 views on one of these videos, which was like the biggest one that really kind of started making a snowball essentially. A few videos after that one that was 155K was one that was 254,000 views, and this one was an actual ad. This is the ad that I created. It's very simple, straightforward, right? It shows the product, how it works, and I used the trending sound that was helping it push onto the TikTok algorithm, which resulted in obviously 5,800 likes, and it had 254,000 views, which is pretty good for the very first ad. Over and over, I would mix in a lot of golf related content and keep posting ads. This one had 55,000, then 34,000, 31,000, 48,000, 8,000. To be honest with you, the results of the TikTok ads that I was creating were looking really good. But how do all these views exactly translate into sales, right? Because TikTok usually has lower conversion rates. Let's take a look at it. All right, now obviously for the results that we've all been waiting for here at the end, I was promising some good ones, and they're a lot better and more realistic than some of these TikTok challenges out there on YouTube. The first day that I posted an ad was on September 8th. Now pulling up the first 4 days of actually running the product and having the website live, there's a total of $1,239 in sales. Honestly, a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. I actually didn't think that I was gonna get that many sales, especially at a price point of $24.99. So I'm pretty pleased with these results, especially for TikTok. I mean, if we scroll down, we've got a 2.21% conversion rate, all from organic TikTok traffic, which is actually pretty unheard of because a lot of the times TikTok traffic is like 0.5% conversion rate. This is telling me that the landing page that I created is actually really converting, and the ads on TikTok are actually doing really well. 91 people added to the cart, 103 reached checkout, and 37 sessions converted. So I sold 50 of the hero product, the only one I was advertising on TikTok, and a total of 1,677 sessions. So that means 1,677 people visited the website organically from the TikTok ads. Great results, right? I'm really glad that this worked out the way that it did. I'm actually going to continue to run this store and see if I can build it even higher and higher. So there's going to be a part 2 to this. Before I forget, also, let's talk about the profits of this website. The first 4 days sold over $1,200 in sales. After everything factored in, which is the shipping costs, the product costs, the Shopify fees, no advertising costs, obviously, because of TikTok Organic, the total amount of profit came out to $584.14. This is a profit margin of 46%, which is not bad, especially for the price point that the product's at and the cost of the product. Essentially, I made an average of $146 every single day profit. I think that's really good for just having organic traffic and starting it just 4 days ago. I hope this was super insightful for you guys. I hope that it gave you like a back-end view of what I would design a landing page to look like, how to run TikTok organic traffic, what the ads were looking like, and actually realistic results that you can get within like the first week of dropshipping on TikTok. If you like this kind of content, if you like these types of challenges, please remember to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below letting me know that you like these kinds of videos. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2 because I'm going to try to build this store even higher. I might even venture into paid traffic, so I'll keep you guys updated on this one. As always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.